What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the full body home workout. This is gonna be the full body circuit number 2. Now today we're gonna be hitting all areas of the body, from your legs to your upper body to your abs, and maybe even some cardio exercises in between. I'm gonna have the workout up here on the screen, one of these sides, so you guys can see exactly which exercises we're on, which exercises will be coming up. And for this specific workout, we're gonna be doing 40 seconds on of each exercise, followed immediately by a 20-second rest. So 40, 20, 40, 20, 40, 20, so on. And we're gonna go ahead and repeat this for 3 rounds. It's gonna take us roughly around 18 minutes total for this full body workout, but you are going to be drenched in just 18 minutes, and you're gonna be burning a ton of calories, not only during the workout, but after the workout, due to the high intensity interval style training that we're implementing here. Without any further ado, our first exercise coming up is a glute bridge. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my timer here. We've got a 10-second countdown. And I'm gonna walk you guys through each of these exercises right now. So for the glute bridge, lay straight back, hands to your side, squeeze your pelvis up, back down, and avoid coming all the way down. You wanna leave that tension on the muscle, so come right about there. So not all the way to where your butt is gonna be on the floor again, but just enough to where you keep tension on the glutes. When you get to the top, make sure you squeeze out, return back down, and just continue this motion. This is an important exercise, even if you are a guy. I know a lot of guys don't like to do this specific exercise because of the sexual nature of it, but trust me, you need to work your glutes as well as a male. If you do not work your glutes as a male, you will end up having a large upper body and a small upper body, and it's not a good look in the long run. So not only that, you're gonna have muscle imbalances from doing so. Next up is the push-up toe touch hop. So push up, touch one toe, back down, hop in, hop out, push up, touch the other toe, hop in, hop out, continue. That's a nice movement, triple action there. If you have to do the push-up on your knees, do your push-up on your knees, make it work for you. Next up, we got a half burpee. So you're not actually gonna jump all the way in the air. Start in push-up position, and push up, burpee. Now, if you can't do the push-up, don't worry about it. Just do this motion here. Remember to go at your own pace. Push yourself. It's all at your own pace. And rest. So next up is Curtsy Lunges. For these, I'm just gonna demonstrate it going this way here, so you can see my legs at first, and then I'll switch back. Start with my right leg here. Gonna move that knee right behind your left leg, back up, switch legs, left leg behind the right. So this is different than a regular lunge because we're crossing over. And just put your hands wherever you are most comfortable. Up here, out to the side, whatever is best for you. And rest. Next is pull-up Supermans. Just gonna lay face down on the mat. Okay, so you're gonna go into a regular Superman and then pull your shoulders down, back up. Next up is heel taps. This is gonna be for your core and your obliques. Closer your heels are to your butt, the easier it's gonna be. And just tap back and forth, squeeze on it. You don't have to rush through this. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Don't just like rush through this, because this is easy. Make sure you feel it in your obliques. And rest. So that is round one. I'm gonna put this on silent so you guys don't hear any more beeps from my phone. And we're gonna go ahead and stay on the ground because we got glute bridges again. And rest. Back down to the push-up toe touch hops. So again, if you have trouble with push-ups, you can do it on your knees. I'll show you what that is right now. So push up, come up, toe touch, hop. Push up, toe touch, hop. If you can do a full push-up, obviously do that. And rest. Half burpee. And we're about 8 minutes in, so we're pretty much halfway done at this point. Goes by quick, but it is super, super effective. So, burpee. Definitely starting to sweat more now. Whew. Curtsy lunge. One other thing when you're doing these, don't slam your knee down. So come down, almost touch, or just barely touch the ground. I see a lot of people slamming their knees down. You're only gonna hurt yourself doing that. And rest. Going into those pull-up Supermans again. Get down flat. Last one, heel taps. And then we only got one more round. So if you're feeling it, push yourself. Almost there. 2, 1, heel taps. Control this movement. It's a very easy movement to go through the motions and not get the effect. Squeeze, squeeze. All right, so 2/3 of the way done. This is the last round. Again, we're gonna stay down because we got glute bridges. So I know you're tired, I know you're sweating. Push through it, we're almost done. 6 minutes, you'll be done. Glute bridges, let's go. Squeeze, back down, squeeze. Rest. Push up, toe touch hops. I like these because right when you start to feel like you're collecting your breath, you get thrown back into these and the half burpees, which cardio. There we go. Push up, right, hop. Half burpees. So This is the hardest one coming up. After this, you'll be able to knock this right out. So push yourself on these. If you're feeling tired, push yourself. Last set. Push up, burpee. All right. 3 more movements. Push through it, push through it. Start with the right leg behind the left. Let's go. Rest. Almost done. 2 more. 2 more. Keep pushing. Keep on pushing. Let's go. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Supermans. Last movement, guys. Come on, you can do this. Heel taps. Heel taps. And then you're done. Let's go. Really focus on this one. I know you're tired. I know you're sweating. Just keep your form good. Slow it down if you need to. Get the proper contraction. Something that's really gonna help you on this movement or any ab movement is to really blow out when you're finishing it. So, and that is the end of the workout. So what I meant by that was anytime you're doing any ab movement, so even on a crunch, and that's gonna help you to ultimately just feel it a lot more in your core. A lot of the times people say they don't really feel ab movements. It's because you're not getting the contraction properly. So breathing out and really pushing that air out when you're contracting, when you're like at the top of that movement, basically the end of that movement is what's gonna help you to get that. So that was full body circuit number 2. Nice job on today's workout, guys. Thank you for joining me today for today's workout. It was a good one, and we'll see you tomorrow for the next day.